Hey there, friends. Welcome back to Grammar Fun Time. Today, we're going to learn something super cool, something that makes sentences move and come to life. Can you guess what it is? It's called an action verb. An action verb is a word that tells us what someone or something is doing. That's right, it's a verb that shows action. Let's check out some examples.
I am jumping.
I am jumping.
I am running.
I am running.
I am dancing.
I am dancing.
I am swimming.
I am swimming.
I am reading.
I am reading.
I am drawing.
I am drawing.
I am writing.
I am writing.
I am eating.
I am eating.
I am clapping.
I am clapping.
I am waving.
I am waving.
I am brushing teeth.
I am brushing teeth.
I am singing.
I am singing.
I am washing hands.
I am washing hands.
I am sleeping.
I am sleeping.
I am playing.
I am playing.
I am painting.
I am painting.
I am building.
I am building.
I am hugging.
I am hugging.
I am laughing.
I am laughing.
I am crying.
I am crying.
I am smiling.
I am smiling.
I am yawning.
I am yawning.
I am stretching.
I am stretching.
I am tying shoes.
I am tying shoes.
I am zipping my coat.
I am zipping my coat.
I am bouncing a ball.
I am bouncing a ball.
I am swinging.
I am swinging.
I am sliding.
I am sliding.
I am riding.
I am riding.
I am kicking.
I am kicking.
I am catching.
I am catching.
I am throwing.
I am throwing.
I am digging.
I am digging.
I am planting.
I am planting.
I am climbing.
I am climbing.
I am watering plants.
I am watering plants.
I am hiding.
I am hiding.
I am seeking.
I am seeking.
I am opening a gift.
I am opening a gift.
I am closing the door.
I am closing the door.
I am blowing bubbles.
I am blowing bubbles.
I am chasing a butterfly.
I am chasing a butterfly.
I am petting a cat.
I am petting a cat.
I am feeding fish.
I am feeding fish.
I am playing a drum.
I am playing a drum.
I am raking leaves.
I am raking leaves.
I am jumping in puddles.
I am jumping in puddles.
I am marching.
I am marching.
I am tickling.
I am tickling.
I am crawling.
I am crawling.